Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at our new Scout 215 Dorado. This boat comes in the Scout white hull, silver pinstriping. Notice the innovative windows, very cool design. Bimini top. See deck as you enter the boat from the transom. 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Ski pole. Large cockpit area if you want to fish or entertain. Fold out transom seat. Live well. Captain's chairs on both sides, a swivel. Very clean helm, stereo. This boat does come with a porta potty head. Nice room for a boat of this size. Plenty of room in the bow area. Get another look at these cool, innovative windows this Scout does so well. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at MarineMax in New York. Thank you.